Hi, hola bonjour, and salam. Long time no see. And welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. We're excited to have you back for another hands-on mechanical design walkthrough. In this video, Plastic Shredder Machine Assembly. Part 1, we're diving into the beginning stages of assembling a powerful, industrial-style shredder using SolidWorks. This is where the real build starts to take shape. In this episode, we introduce you to the assembly workspace in SolidWorks, a crucial environment where individual parts are brought together to form a fully functional product. We'll guide you step by step through setting up the main assembly file, inserting individual components, and understanding the foundational structure required for a plastic shredder. Precision is key at this stage. We make sure everything is properly aligned and mated, using standard mates such as coincident, concentric, and distance mates. Next, we insert the mounting brackets and base support plates, ensuring each component is firmly attached to the frame with careful positioning. These mountings will eventually hold key mechanical parts, like the motor, gearbox, and hopper, so they must be correctly oriented and constrained. We also bring in the side plates, which will house the shaft bearings and support the rotating cutting elements in later stages. These plates are designed with pre-cut holes and slots for fasteners, ensuring easy integration of shafts and shredding blades in the upcoming parts of the assembly. By the end of this part, you'll have a solid foundation set up for the plastic shredder machine, ready to take on more complex assemblies in the following episodes. Whether you're a SolidWorks beginner or an experienced designer, this video lays the groundwork for a realistic and industrial-ready shredder model. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll add rotating shafts, gears, and cutting components. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates from Blueprint Bazaar.